Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you to St. Martin. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Once the seatbelt sign has been turned off, please take extra care when you open overhead bins. Articles may have shifted during landing. Current local time here is approximately 3:26 p.m. We thank you for choosing American Airlines today, a member of the One World Alliance. Have a pleasant stay here in St. Martin or wherever your final destination may be, and happy holidays.